Hey YouTube, it's Dan Justice77 here, doing an unboxing on a new computer case. And yeah, got my trusty knife here. Open this bitch up. So yeah, give us a minute and I'll be back with the unpinning of new computer case. And just slice this bitch. There we go. There we go. As you can see, it's red. Not a bad looking colour. I will be back to open the computer case. The opening of the computer case. And yeah. So you'll be down for a second. There we go. And there we go. And there she goes. As you can see, that's the bottom. Which could have put a mesh there. We'll just turn her up. And there you go. Few plastic there, which I'll take off soon. But yeah, we've got some 3.0 USBs, 2 in there, mic and headphone. There's the side of it. Pretty cool. Get this plastic bit off. Can't see in it. Anyway, you all know that's the side of the case. And there's the back of it. You get a fan with it, awesome. Just don't know if you can see in there. That's the inside of the case. Yeah, so this is Dan Justice77 with a case unboxing. Thanks for viewing. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and thank you.